Snowflakes fall on
Grandma, Alma's house. There it is.
cover all the streets.
Right up here. Ooh, look what's coming up the street.
Sing
Hi,
along
Mr. Plow.
as we run through all of
Good
these
job.
white hills, oh so
Oh,
deep.
he's plowing a big. Hi, guys. We're having a snowstorm here. And have you ever had a snowstorm where you are? Henry, I know you have. Romy, Maria, I don't think you have a snowstorm in Florida, do you? Do you? But you've played in the snow before, right? Yeah. So, let me tell you, snowstorms are really good for being cozy and watching your favorite shows and eating all your favorite snacks. What are your favorite snacks? Ooh, I love popcorn myself. Does anyone love that too, as much as I do? Well, come with me and we're just gonna watch some shows for a minute and eat some snacks. Good popcorn. Would you like some? Here.
What's wrong with him? Hello, Mom. I'm home. Hello, dear. Oh, boy. Mother. Yes, Gumby? May I have a cookie? All right, but just one. Thank you. Yum, yum.
Do you think Gumby is going to eat just one cookie? I can't eat just one bit of popcorn.
Uh-oh.
Oh, golly. I didn't mean to eat so many.
Popcorn's almost done.
Tell you what, next time that you come to my house, we're gonna make popcorn. Or maybe cookies. Cookies? Would you rather have cookies or popcorn? Who said both? You can have whatever you like. That's right, whatever you like, because I love you.
It's to my security system.
Let's have some more.
Good boy.
Do you guys have a snack that you love to eat? What about Reese's Pieces? That's not really good for Valentine's Day, is it? Do you think I should send you some Reese's Pieces? I'm not even sure. Are these Reese's Pieces?
I don't know. I mean, I love Reese's Pieces. Let's look in the bag. Oh, yeah. But so does the cat. Do you think the cat should have them? Should you have these, Tallulah? I don't think so. But, you know, I don't think they're really good for Valentine's Day, are they?
Well, look in the mail and see what comes your way, and maybe we'll get some Reese's Pieces. Don't eat them all at once, though. Remember what happened to Gumby.
Hi, Maria. Can I come be with you at your house? Okay. All right. I'm going to come over there soon. Okay? All right. Wait for me. I want to give you a big hug.
And Henry and Romy, instead of a teddy bear, what do you think that I got for you? And happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is all about chocolate and getting notes and that's right. Who said that? Love. Mwah! Love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon, I hope.